What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. We're going to talk about the elephant in the room really quick. I know some of you were expecting me and the SPE crew to be at the YouTube call out, which was this past weekend on Saturday. Long story short, we didn't make it. Even shorter, the reason why is because we didn't get Dan's race truck finished. We didn't get it done, and we didn't go. But on another note, it is like officially fall, and it's cold, and the leaves are all changing. The leaves look really, really good right now, but I'm not a huge fan of the cold weather. Fall's like a love-hate kind of thing, because basically it looks really cool because the leaves and everything change. Like, look at this. The camera doesn't really pick it up that good, but I mean, you guys know what fall looks like. It's a love-hate thing because fall is a great time of year. You get Halloween, you get Thanksgiving. You can go to pumpkin festivals and kind of fall festivals and that kind of thing, and the leaves look awesome. So that's why you love it. But you hate it because it's the beginning of winter. So basically you have 6 months of death. Little background action here. Did you guys see that welding rig that just passed? I've been in the gas field, or oil and gas field, since probably maybe I was like 18. So I've been around quite a few things in the oil and gas field. And when I was younger, one of my greatest jobs I had in the gas field was a welder's helper. It just kind of came about. It was a simple little thing, and I was there working, you know, for my company, and the welders are subcontractors. And he was there, and he needed help. He goes, "Hey, you wanna help me out today?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure, whatever." Knew nothing really about pipe fitting or anything like that in the gas field. Help him for the day, and he goes, "How would you like to be my helper?" I'm like, "Yeah, how does that work?" He goes, "Well, basically you just meet me in the mornings, ride with me to the pad or wherever we got to go, and you work with me 100% of the time." I'm like, absolutely. But these guys were out of Louisiana. You know, they came up here to Pennsylvania to work in the gas field, because back when I was 18, I don't know what year that was, like 2011, 2010. The gas field was just absolutely booming here, like it kind of is now. And so all the guys from out of state were coming here to work. So I was in with a kind of a crew of Louisiana welders, and I mean, it was awesome. I learned an absolute ton, and it was 100% my greatest time in the gas field. Just a little background. But anyways, guys, enough babbling, enough of me sitting here talking to you about pointless stuff. Today, I really wouldn't call it redemption, but it's Wednesday, the week after the YouTube call out. So today, potentially, we're gonna get that race truck running. So let's check it out. What's this doing in here? My God, you guys been making moves.
It's resting piece, dude. The resting place, sorry.
Dude, this thing is sick. You tearing her down?
Yeah.
Do the lifters?
No, I think we're gonna tear like the whole bottom end apart.
Whoa. Whoa.
The pumps sound fucking weird and they're not building pressure. Never had that happen.
How's it going?
It's going.
Sweet Cummins, bro.
Yeah, dude. They don't break, dude.
They don't break.
They don't, actually. This is just,
What are you doing here?
oh, the guy just wanted it done there because it doesn't break.
Preventative?
Apparently. No, it blew a head gasket. And then he's getting a non-VGT swap. Like second gen style swap.
What kind of manifold you doing?
I think it's a BD.
Do they have a 3-piece manifold?
I think there's just a single piece. It's just a single piece cast, second gen style manifold. T4.
Alright guys, so we are not starting this today. We still have some fuel stuff to fix. Or what do we got? What do we got to do on this? Replace the fuel filters? The fuel pumps?
Fuel pump. Yeah, we're gonna get them upgraded.
So we're still upgrading the fuel pumps. So we're not starting this today, but we are starting that today. Or we did start that today. I'll cut to that now. All right, guys, so there is your update on the race truck. Still got to swap out some fuel pumps, but you just seen this thing fire up here, 6.7 Powerstroke Dragster. Super, super cool. They're actually getting ready to tear it down and go through it and refresh anything. So it's prepared for next season coming up in the summer or spring, actually. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys more of like a little more of an in-depth look at this here. This is all fully designed SPE in-house. Paddle shift, electronic shift, I mean everything. It's really cool, but we'll go through it, so stay tuned for that. The other day when I walked in here, they were moving this 12 valve here. I'll cut to that right now. Dude, that stuff stinks.
Corey, let me show the viewers what the absolute best thing John Deere ever made was.
Tech Talk with Ron.
The best goddamn thing John Deere ever made. This fucking ether.
Nothing runs like a deer when you pull ether in its nose.
Yeah. Nothing runs like a deer with a cat on its tail.
Just running a open manifold. But that is it for today. You guys got your update on the race truck. Checked out the Dragster. Stay tuned for some more videos coming your way this week. Or maybe we'll do more of an inside look on this Dragster here. But that's it. I'm getting ready to head to the house. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace!